Hi guys, and welcome back to Lockdown Lessons. I'm hoping that by now you've watched the other videos in the series and that you found them beneficial. I still haven't got many samples of work by email or any from some people. So with that in mind, what I would love you to do is to forward me on your homework or a sample of you work, a photograph of you working, or a little video telling me what you've been doing. Okay, so let's continue. So today we're going to do subtraction with hundreds, tens and ones. Now I've made a cheat sheet which some of my students will be familiar with. There it is, and I've made it available in my Dropbox. So you can go to the link in the description and you can download it there and print it out for yourself. Okay, so this lesson is revision for Kelly, Amelia and Musa, and it's also revision for Carla, for Fro and for Lara. Okay, so because this is the first video that I've directed towards Fro and Lara, we're going to theme it Fro and Lara theme. So the two girls are from Slovakia originally, and Slovakia has been part of the EU since 2004. So let's change the background to something Slovakian. Nice. Okay, so let's get on with the lesson. We need a whiteboard. Brilliant. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is write down a subtraction problem. So 572 take away 296. Brilliant. Okay, now we could try and do it in our heads, but that would be quite complicated. So I think we should write it in the vertical stacking method. So we will just take those two and put the 296 underneath the 572. In order to do the sum properly, we better bring up our subtraction cheat sheet. Good. I'm going to try something new. Okay. The first thing we have to do is check the symbol. If the symbol is an addition symbol, then we have to go to our addition cheat sheet. I will cover that in another video and it'll be available to download as well. In this case, the symbol is a subtraction symbol. So we will check the ones column. So in the ones column, that is top take away bottom, which is 2 take away 6. 2, and can I take away 6? 1, 2, I don't have enough fingers, so it cannot be done. So we follow the flowchart to cannot be done. So we have to steal from the tens column and rename. So if we steal from the tens column, we put a line through the 7 and we have 6 left. And then if we rename in the ones column, we put a line through the 2 and 2 plus 10 becomes 12. Very good. Okay, so where do we go on our cheat sheet? Go back to checking the ones column. So what do we have now? 12 take away 6. We all know that is, hold up 6 fingers, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So our answer is 6. And we can continue on with the cheat sheet. So the next thing we have to do is check the tens column. So what do we have in the tens column? We have 6 take away 9. Can we do that? So 6 take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, can't be done. So we have to go to cannot be done and follow it down. Oh, we steal from the hundredths column and rename. So if we steal from the hundredths column, the 5, put a line through the 5 and it becomes a 4. And if we rename, with that 10 we brought over, our 6 becomes 16. So we put a line through the 6 and write 16 above it. Remember to keep your numbers in the same column that they're meant to be in, just so that we don't get confused with all the numbers on the page. Great. So following our cheat sheet, we go back to check the tens column. What do we have now? 16 take away 9. So hold up 9 fingers and count back from 16. 16, 15, 14, 12, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So our answer is 7. Excellent. So that can be done. Go back to our cheat sheet. So now we have to check the hundredths column. So if we check the hundredths column, it is 4 top take away bottom, which is 4 take away 2. It's easy to do, but let's just do it on our fingers to be safe. So we have 4. Excuse me. Count backwards from 4. We have 2, and we're taking away 2. So hold up 2 fingers. 4, 3, 2. And our answer is 2. So the answer to that problem is 276. Okay, so I hope you find this useful, and I will put up 10 subtraction problems on the screen now. So if you pause the video and take those down, I would like you to do those for homework. Do them and send them in to me. Get your parents to email them the answers. Actually take a photograph of your work, which would be better, and email me the photograph. Okay, it's a short video today, but I hope you find it beneficial. Slán a bhaile.